Hello.
Hi, Papa Jackson. How are you?
Hi. Good morning. Feeling ko nasa abroad to eh. Islang eh.
Huh?
Islang.
um, yeah.
Hi. What's your name?
Maria.
Maria. Arte Maria lang 'yan eh. Maria. Ilang taon na si Maria?
42.
42. Ano pakiramdam ng ganyang edad?
Because I'm actually an empty nest now. So
Oh, you said that
I'm
with
an empty nester.
you said that with a pinch of loneliness on how you said it.
Not really. I mean, it's I'm alone, but I'm actually happy.
Oh, that's good. By the way,
Yeah.
where you calling from tonight?
Canada.
You are in Canada. What part of
Mhm.
Canada?
Pwede bang hindi na sabihin?
Hindi pwede naman. Oh, hindi ko naman din alam kahit sabihin mo. Anyways, Maria, 42 years old from Canada. How long have you been staying in Canada, or have you lived a long time in Canada already?
Almost 9 years.
9
I think.
years. Okay.
Pero I just don't speak speak Tagalog well, Papa Jack, because I'm Ilonggo.
Actually,
So
yung
that's
mga
why I
Ilonggo
just
tsaka yung mga
prefer to
Cebuano,
speak English.
yung mga ano, 'di ba, yung intonation ninyo pag nagsalta kayo ng English, bagay eh, no?
Ewan ko, pero I just prefer to speak like straight English compared to like speaking Tagalog because parang nakakatawa if nagtatagalog yung accent.
Hindi naman, that's okay. But anyways, we can have this conversation in whatever language you're comfortable with.
Yeah, thank you.
Wag lang wag lang Ilonggo ha.
Oo.
Wala
Sure.
akong alam diyan. Ang alam ko lang to, nini. Anyways, are you married now? Oh, I'm sorry. Empty nester pala. I'm sorry.
Oh, I've never been married, so I'm a single mom
Okay.
of a 19-year-old boy.
Okay.
And he's a theater actor, Papa Jack. So he's studying in Vancouver right now, taking up theater.
Theater actor.
Yes.
Oh, edi ano yung anak mo, di ba? Karakter yan.
Oo. So he's studying in a conservatory school right now. So hopefully, sana maging Philippine pride.
Why not, di ba?
Yeah.
Malay mo,
Hopefully.
one day, nasa Marvel yan, di ba?
Yeah, he's actually trying to audition to like Broadway shows, and he became a second choice of like a not popular a not popular show yet, but he became a second choice.
Well,
So,
anyways, tell your son I said good luck.
thanks, thank you.
All right. Well, anyways, what can I do for you?
I really don't have like a problem, but
You,
it's just
you don't have a
I really
problem, I will make you one. Teka lang. Huh?
But yung akin is, I just want to get to hear your side or get your wisdom from because I've been listening to you since time immemorial, Papa Jack.
Ay, nako talaga.
So yeah, since yung old station pa. So, but I've never expected myself to become your caller. I've been listening like every day. Your I've been listening to you every day kasi walang magawa, diba? And so yun. So I'm a single mom, and yung son ko nga nasa college na. And so I'm in a relationship for 4 years.
Until now?
Yung yeah,
Okay.
but we're not living together. So separate house kami.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so he's Lebanese.
Lebanese.
Lebanese, and he's 50.
Ano po?
Turning 50. He's
Okay.
turning 50 this April.
Okay. You are in the same generation.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
And I'm quite mature, Papa Jack, because since I was 14, orphan.
I'm sorry.
I don't know, but my mom already left for the States nung time na yon, and she has been separated with my dad since I was young. So technically, wala na kaming parents since
Wait. You said
I was
orphan.
14.
Ano ba? Nag-abroad ba o namatay?
Yeah, abroad.
Hindi man orphan yun. Iba naman ang orphan.
Kaya nga, just a word.
Okay. Sige.
Kinakabahan ako, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. But, so yun, and then, ano ba? Yung kid ko, yung dad, we separated like when he was 5. So, naging single mom ako until now. But I started from scratch, and, I really just have like a drive to reach like, the things that I want in life. So now when I got here in Canada, Papa Jack, I was a caregiver.
Okay.
2 years after, wala akong Canadian education, wala akong Canadian experience, and what they told me was that it's hard for you to find a job, a corporate job, if you don't have those credentials. So, but of course, for me, like I'm just very driven. So, I said no. I refuse to believe that. So, I was lucky enough that I was able to get a corporate job, and then I got promoted every 3 years. I got promoted, and so I've reached like that time of my life that I'm okay. My son's okay, and so this boyfriend of mine right now, so Lebanese, and we live in separate homes. Yung ano lang, Papa Jack, is ang akin lang is right now, because emptiness na nga ako, I'm just wanting to know. I just wanna have like a partner in life, but yung partner ko, he's a very, very good guy. He's actually the best guy that I've met my entire life. Decent, educated,
May buhok sa chest yan, ganyan.
Oo.
Meron din. Hindi, lahi-lahi yan. Ano ba? Sorry na. Intrusive thoughts. Inisip ko lang. Di ba?
Oo.
Mga Middle Eastern, mabalbasarado. May ganun, di ba?
Oo.
Siya may buhok sa chest.
Oo. At may itsura sa Papa Jack.
May mga pagkakataon bang binubunot mo yun pag naglalambing ka? Yung ganun pa isa-isa.
Yung gray hair.
Sorry, ang random ko. Sorry. Okay, ano ba ito? Bakit? Okay, game. Next. Tuloy na po. Game.
So, yung ano ko lang is, where was I?
Sorry. Akin. Kasalanan ko. Sorry. You said he is the best guy, di ba? Okay.
Yeah, he's really the best guy. Pero ang dami niyang responsibilities. He's a business owner.
Mm-hmm.
And he has two daughters back home.
Okay.
He's separated from the wife.
Mm-hmm.
But they're not officially divorced because because of their religion.
Mhm.
And he says because ano siya, parang he belongs to like the high society of Lebanon. Parang ganon. And so he
Kumbaga
said,
ano siya doon, aristocrat siya doon.
parang ano ba, Papa Jack, like, parang high society, parang
Kaya nga,
elite or something. Yeah.
medyo ano sila,
Oo.
medyo alta sa syudad.
Oo, yun.
Okay.
So what he said, because I also don't know, right, yung kanilang culture. But I'm just taking it from what he told me na he cannot divorce the wife because kasi daughters daw. So yung daughters, parang like when they get married, parang I don't know the word, Papa Jackson, but yung parang they will be, yung parang maging, hindi sila, ano ba, yung worth nila sa society.
Kumbaga
Parang,
may stigma sa mga anak.
Oo.
Okay.
Yeah. So that I get. Kasi ako naman, hindi naman ako like type na like I nag or something, right? But for me, yung ano ko lang is I just want my own peace of mind, and I also want like a partner in life. Pero yung kanya is maraming factors kasi, Papa Jack, like even like yung Canada, kasi he lived a good life in Lebanon. But right now, Lebanon is not good. So, he's running a business here. Pero yung kanyang heart is still, he still doesn't feel Canada is his home.
Okay.
Okay.
I get it.
Yeah, but, right.
I have a question before you continue.
Yeah.
Where is home for you then?
Here.
Not in
Because I also, because I also, sorry, Papa Jack.
No longer in the Philippines?
Yeah, because I don't have like, any reason to go back there anymore. I mean, may kapatid, pero yung anak ko nandito na, diba? So I don't even know like kung anong direction, if where he's gonna go. So yung akin is, it's just me. So
kumbaga, there are nights when you look at the future, you want to imagine the picture of a future that you may have. You don't see him there. It scares you that you're investing this much emotionally and yet you don't see him there.
The thing, Papa Jack, so the first year and the second year, because yung akin is, I also want to show him my value. So yung akin is, I spoke up and I really told him what I wanted in life and what I wanted from a partner. So good, nag-break kami actually nung first year because of that reason na sabi niya, Canada is not my home. So I said, if Canada is not your home, then you're also wasting my time.
Okay. Nag-break kayo. Kailan yan?
That was the first year.
Okay.
Ano ba? Kasi ngayon, 2021 kami nag-meet.
Right after pandemic, no?
Yeah, right after the pandemic.
Okay.
But, so, yung, a good thing, ang ano sa kanya, Papa Jack, is he's addressing yung demands ko din in our relationship.
Okay.
Like, for me, I keep on telling him, I'm not like demanding, like kasi busy din siya sa trabaho. Monday to Saturday, he's in his shop. From morning until evening. Yung time nilang talaga ay Saturday and Sunday. Saturday night until Sunday. So, that's the only time that we spend together. Yun ba? So, that I even understand. I don't even complain. For me, I've been trying to be self-sufficient na maging okay kahit wala siya. I'm going out with friends and all that para hindi ako maging toxic sa kanya. Right? So, yung first time, yung first breakup namin, he addressed yun. And sabi niya, he will stay. Right? And then, second breakup namin, second year, that was because he's married. I told him na,
But wait, I'm sorry. But you knew that day one pa lang.
oo, correct. Pero yung akin lang is, also the stigma of our society na,
No. My point is, alam mo yun from the get-go eh.
oo. Pero yung Papa Jack is, yung akin lang is, dito sa Canada, hindi naman, pwede naman siyang maging separated na
So
status.
you want him to at the very least, kahit sa
Yeah.
Canada, dyan man lang.
Oo. Oo. Kasi, if we're planning to live together, which he said we will,
Mhm.
ang hirap na like you live together and yet yung status niya married. Right?
Yeah, I agree
So
with
yun
you.
lang. Yeah, so yun lang yung akin Papa Jack na that he also agreed. He said that he will change his status.
Okay.
Right? But yung akin ng Papa Jack is he has like a lot of things on his plate. Yung dami niyang responsibilities pa back home. He lost everything, so he's also trying to build his life up here in Canada. Parang ganon. And so he's not, I know that he's still not ready to, to have a future. He keeps on telling me that he's also agreeing to live together in a few years. Pero for me, I just don't know if worth it ba siya for me to wait.
Have you met any of his family members?
Yes, yung dad niya nasa kanya. Yun din yung reason na why we're not living together yet. One of the reasons because yung dad nasa kanya. So the dad and I are actually close.
Okay.
So we're okay. Sometimes I also take care of because he's already 80.
Okay.
So yun. So yung akin lang is, he's really... Sorry, Papa Jack, was an alarm. Narinig mo?
No.
Sorry. Okay. So yung ko lang is, because he's really like a good guy, right? Very trustworthy. Wala akong, kahit nagsasabi kasi meron siyang shop na madami ding Pinay daw na nagpa-flirt. Pero I never felt insecure. I never felt na, hindi ako nagsiselos.
You were
Walang
never
trust issue.
threatened, kumbaga.
Yeah, I'm never threatened with,
Okay.
with girls. And he's also doing everything to keep this relationship.
Okay.
He's addressing all my needs. He's addressing all my demands. Pero yun lang, yung akin is, he's still building his life. And he keeps on telling me na parang he already has a lot of knife on his back na parang hindi niya pa, kaya lahat. And for me, to support him, I'm also giving him his peace of mind na hindi ako, hindi kami like nag-aaway, walang toxic na mga scenario sa amin. Like, we're just very happy and peaceful. Pero yun lang yung akin is it worth the wait, Papa Jack? Or I don't know.
Anong inaantay mo?
Just really-
Anong inaantay mo? Inilatag naman niya sa iyo yung mga bagay na hindi niya kayang gawin.
Kaya nga, maybe it's just my fear.
At some point, hindi ko alam kung tama ako dito, nang huhula na lang ako dito. But at some point, Maria, why do I feel like yung relationship ninyo ay transactional?
No, actually, Papa Jack.
No, I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying, ganito I'm not saying it is transactional. I'm just saying, why do I feel? Kasi ganito. You have to enumerate reasons why you're choosing to be with the guy. And none of the things you said indicates that you are willing to take the risk. I'm sorry. It was so you were so calculating.
I am actually, personality-wise, Papa Jack, I am. Yun ba? You get what I mean? So
I
that's
get
why
what you want, but then again, we are not supposed to be like that when we are in a relationship. I'm not ganito, Maria. I'm not saying that what you're feeling is wrong. That's not my point. My point is, you're telling me he's got a lot of good qualities to go on with. Tama na? Ang dami niyang magagandang qualities. But here you are cherry picking the only things na ayaw mo tungkol sa kanya. But then again, on the other hand, valid naman yung mga hinihingi mo eh. Valid yon. If you're coming from a point of view as a Filipina or Filipino, valid yon. The problem is, he's told you what he cannot deliver and can deliver.
Yeah, correct.
So kumbaga para sa kanya, na-negotiable na yan. He did not lie to you naman eh. Nilatag naman niya lahat eh. So the ball is on your hands.
Correct. And that's what I want
exactly, to keep. You know exactly what you're getting. And he told you what you're getting. So I don't know hindi ko alam anong problema mo ngayon.
Hindi, Papa Jack, kasi I really needed your wisdom for me to have my own peace of mind. Na parang, this is okay.
Hindi na po. I don't believe that if, halimbawa tonight, toyoin ako. I'll tell you, makipaghiwalay ka na, hindi mo naman din gagawin eh.
Yeah.
So I guess, let's start by saying and admitting to ourselves, you are asking the wrong question. If you ask the wrong question, you will always get the wrong answer.
So what's the right question?
I don't know. I just know that whatever you ask me tonight, di ka makikipaghiwalay dyan.
Really, like my point in calling you is really just to hear your side and your, kasi I've been listening to you and yung wisdom mo talaga, like I always listen and apply what I'm learning from your show. So that's why yung niya is hindi kami like toxic, kasi that's also because of the lessons that you've been telling on your show. But yeah, so yun lang talaga, Papa Jack. Yung akin is yun lang, if it's worth to, because for me, like yung peace of mind ko lang talaga na okay, I won't complain, I won't demand anymore because everything has been laid out.
Alam mo, I'm not saying that what you're asking for or whatever your heart's desires are is not or are not valid. Valid siya eh. Valid siya. Kaya lang hindi natin po pwede kasi questionin yung kanilang beliefs, yung kultura nila.
Yeah.
With regards to things that's acceptable to us and to them it's not. Halimbawa, yung pag divorce yung asawa niya at may stigma sa kanila, there's no way whether that is wrong or that is right. Pag sinabi natin mali yan, you are coming from a point of view na Pinay ka. We have our own set of values here. And if
and that I never contested that, Papa Jack. Like,
so what's your problem?
I accepted that.
No, what's your problem?
Yung lang talaga, yung wala talagang problem. Yung lang talaga, yung I don't know, yung lang talaga, yung just really the direction of this relationship na ano ba, is this like worth the wait? Even though, let's say, I
No,
know
no,
na
no one will know.
this
Even
will
you, even
take,
him, no one
I
will
know,
know. No one will know
yeah,
whether this is worth the wait. We don't know.
yeah,
Di ba? Alam mo, love is always a blind approach. Alam niyo yan.
correct.
Walang assurance sa pag-ibig.
Uh,
If you ask the question whether this is worth it or not, no one really knows.
yeah.
Okay, question.
Mm,
Ready?
yes.
Ano lang to? I'm just curious.
Mm.
If he cannot move in sa iyo, kasi may tatay siya, ba't di ka mag-move in sa kanya?
Ay, hindi. Ang plan actually is for me to move sa kanya.
Yun pala eh.
Pero yung dad niya lang doon pa, and so but ang dad is also going back to Lebanon in a year or two. So
Okay.
yun lang, Papa Jack. Sorry.
Alright, ganito I do not want you at any point to feel, Maria, that your concern or concerns as a girlfriend to your partner is invalidated. Hindi yun ang gusto maramdaman mo. It's just that I don't believe that if I give you any advice, there is something tangible that will happen. Halimbawa, I'll become idealistic tonight. Sabihin ko sa'yo, hindi pa sila divorce eh. Makipaghiwalay ka na. Balikan ka na lang niya kung available ka pa pag naghiwalay sila. Hindi mo naman din gagawin. Di ba?
Agree.
So I'd rather not go down that route kasi walang point eh. But I'll tell you something. Ready?
Yes.
I don't know if you're going to look at it or kung magiging masama ang tingin mo sabihin ko. But nawawala kasi yung kilig ba ng pag-ibig, no? When we are so calculating, when we are so transactional, nawawala kasi yung challenge ng isang relasyon kung ang pinanggagalingan natin ay laging may kapalit yung pwede nating ibigay.
Agree.
And right now, I did not hear you say there's no part of you that said you are willing to take some risks here. If anything,
I am.
Well, you are, but I did not hear that. Hindi ko siya narinig sa'yo. All I ever heard from you is that you are too safe. Which I cannot blame you because, hello, you're 42 years old. I mean, you cannot afford so much mistakes in life. You don't have all konting panahon lang, kulubot na yung... Tama, gets mo ako, di ba?
Yeah,
Di ba? I mean, kung loko-loko lang ako dito at bawa, idealistic lang ako na wala sa lugar, sabihin ko sa'yo, makapag-break ka na. But you won't do it.
Yeah.
You'd rather stay and possibly baka may puntahan to or possibly then masaktan ka but you want to see the end of this.
Yeah. And that's the thing, Papa Jack. That's why I called you because I'm also keeping it to myself because I also don't want to discuss it with him all the time.
Okay, there you go. Yan ang assignment.
Yung spark.
Yan ang assignment mo sa akin. Everything that you told me tonight, all your worries, lahat ng apprehensions mo, you tell him in a loving way.
I already told him. We already had that discussion. Parang mga like once a year mag-reassess.
Well, tell him.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero yun lang kasi I'm also trying to find that balance na parang I don't want to sound to be toxic. I also don't want to sound demanding. Kaya like dahan-dahan ko lang sinasabi or we we talk about it, but not like every time. So,
Well, siguro, pasensya ka na sa akin, Maria. No? Maybe I just refuse tonight to identify that you are calling me because you wanted to make a decision for something. I don't believe that.
oh yeah.
You are just here to weigh things out. You're not
Correct.
looking to change things as they are.
Correct.
Yes, di ba? So
Yeah. And I just want to factor in your opinion, Papa Jack. That's it.
ayoko magaling-galingan sa'yo na, di ba? If you're not looking to make any decision, it's not for me to tell you to make one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually correct, Papa Jack. Like I'm just weighing things in, and I just want to add like your opinion to.
Well,
you know,
thank you. I appreciate that.
yeah. Kasi your opinion, your wisdom. So I have gotten a lot of wisdom from you, and that's why this relationship has blossomed because of yung sabi mo din ba yung if you want to be loved, be lovable, and that's what I've been trying to do.
Oh, thank
Kaya
you.
nga, that's why I don't want to keep on demanding things from him, or like, because these are like just worries really. Pero the reality is he's a good guy, and he really is doing everything to to make this relationship work.
Before we end our conversation, maybe that's just what I'm going to wish for you.
Yes, please.
And I want you to listen carefully. I hope, Maria, that by the end of everything that you've given to be with this guy, I hope these are all worth it.
Yan din yung hope ko din, Papa Jack.
Yes. But we'll never know.
Yeah.
We'll never know. We cannot imagine some alternatives tonight because you just have to go through it
Correct.
to know. You just have to go through it.
I agree, Papa Jack. And thank you. Thank you for the time.
Oh well. Congratulations. I think you're happy right
thank-
now. Doubts are okay.
Yes.
Remember yung
Yung-
lessons na natutunan ko. When we are nervous, you are nervous right now. When we are nervous about something, it's when we are most careful. Make sense? So this entire
Correct.
conversation we have, it's just you being careful. And that's okay.
Yeah. Yes, Papa Jack, you actually nailed it. Na parang, I just really want to be, not too safe, but, just trying to at least protect my heart if I can. Kasi if this is not worth it, but yung ano lang is, lahat na qualities ng isang guy is nasa kanya, ang hirap. So, yeah.
Well,
I guess it's
yeah.
like
Go ahead.
no, I'm just saying that it's like worth the risk then.
I hope that I wish for you. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks, Papa Jack, for your time.
Ingat ka dyan, Ma'am, ha? Say hi to
Yes,
your
ikaw
son.
din.
Tell your son I said good luck.
Yes, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.